Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a figure from which we have to find the value of x. Now what is x? X is nothing but it is an exterior angle of the given triangle. Now from exterior angle property, from exterior angle property, we know that exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Sum of opposite interior angles. Now exterior angle is given as x, so x will be equal sum of opposite interior angles. So opposite interior angles will be angle PRQ, which is 75 degrees, and angle PQR, which is equal 65 degrees. So x will be equal 75 degrees plus 65 degrees. So 70 plus 60 will become 130, and 5 and 5 will become 10. So it will be equals 140 degrees. Therefore, the value of x, that is the exterior angle, will be equals 140 degrees, and this will be our final required answer. So thank you and have a great day.